So a question a lot of people ask all the time is, can you succeed at Forex with a really small account? So say like a $200 account or a $500 account, are you able to succeed? Now succeed, I'm assuming when people ask the question, what you mean is, can you make a living or can you get rich doing that? Now, Forex is a unique business opportunity, other than a lot of other stuff in the world, is that it is percentage scalable. And if it's percentage scalable, the answer is yes, you can actually succeed and you can get rich with really small accounts. But how do you do it? Well, the only way to do it is you have to trade regularly, so you have to day trade. And the most important bit is you have to trade based on the percentage of your account, regardless of your account size. And that's something that a lot of other traders seem to struggle with. You see, it's like not just trading, but even a lot of things like getting wealthy to a certain point. People grow their account size to a certain point, then they get too scared of losing that, so they start trading much lower. So say with a $100 account, you're risking, I don't know, just say like 10% of your account. That's too much, but let's just say you are risking that. Then when you get to $1,000, you don't want to risk $100. You want to still risk that same $10, where you're going to be making profit based on a $100 account instead of a $1,000 account. That is about as basic as it gets. It doesn't get more basic than that. If you don't continually upgrade and scale up based on percentages, you're not going to make a lot of money on the Forex market. But the Forex market, like I said, is one of the few areas you can do that. With other regular businesses, you can't really scale on percentage because things involve customers and people, and it's a lot difficult to scale on percentage, obviously, as opposed to when you're working with just numbers, it's just you and the chart. So you can actually grow to a fairly large size off a really small account. So yeah, it is definitely possible. But remember, you have to day trade. Now, if you want to look at a previous video that I've done, long-term trading versus day trading, I've said there that day trading, there's more profit involved in that just because there's a higher frequency of trades. So even though you're taking smaller size profits, because you're trading on percentages, it equals more. If you're not trading on percentages, it doesn't even make a difference long-term day trading. It's the same thing, really. But like I said, you have to trade based on percentages. Now, if you can't, some people think it's too risky to trade based on percentages, especially with a really high account. If you can't do that, your system's obviously no good. Because if you had a system that was good and that you trusted, you would be able to trade based on any sort of size account, which is exactly what it should be. So, it really depends who you're listening to, what their advice is, what sort of... Lots of people have different tactics, different styles, but if you've got a big account, you can basically listen to anybody you want, or you can do your own system. If you've got a really small account, you need to do something that works, obviously, and you need to scale on percentage. And I do always say that you need to trade based on percentages. So when you add that profit to your account, you trade on your account plus that profit, and you just keep growing from there. If you're unwilling to do that, then you're also unwilling to be successful in trading. But I can't tell you what to do. That's up to you to do. But realistically, if you don't want to trade based on percentages, if you don't want to take the higher risk, then don't do trading if you've got a small account, because you actually aren't going to make any money off it. But if you are willing to take the risk, you really can succeed with a small account. That's about all there is to that. Pretty simple answer to that question. Yes, you can succeed with a small account. And that's about all there is to this video. So if you want more Forex tactics or tips videos, I've got those on my YouTube. For now, that's all there is to this one. So I'll see you next time. Trying to do as many Forex videos as I can, but there should be at least 2 a week coming. So see you then.